Applications are used when learners need to apply for the course instead of just enrolling themselves. To create an application form, head to Program Admin, and then down on the left-hand side, you'll see Application Forms. To create a new form, click Add Form. We'll take a look at a previously completed form. As you can see here, we've got the date created and edited, who created it, and how many programs that application form is linked to. Down below, we've set up our form fields. You can choose whether you want the questions to display one by one, whether you want them to be able to move back and forth within the form, or whether you want the questions to all display at once. You can enable codes if this helps you for reporting, and you can change the status of your form. Once a form is active, it can be attached to programs. To add questions to your application form, select Add Question, add in a title for the question, a question prompt, and you can also add in optional instructions. There are a few different question types. Single line allows them one line of text to answer. Open-ended is a larger text field. Single answer is a multiple choice question where they can only choose one option. Multiple choice is where they can choose multiple options from the list. We have Likert scale, where they're choosing from a scale. And then lastly, file upload, where they can upload some files. Please note that once your application form is active and participants start completing the form, you'll be unable to edit the questions. You can preview your form up in the top corner. If your course is set to accept applications, on the listing page you'll see the Apply button where the Enroll button would normally be. This means that learners need to complete an application form and be accepted into the course before they're enrolled. To set your course as application only, head to Edit View, then Program Settings, then over to Self-Enrollment. From the first drop-down, select Application Only. Over to the right, you'll see the tab titled Application. From here, you can choose which application you'd like to apply to the program. You can select whether you'd like the learners to submit their LinkedIn URL and whether that's required. You can also select whether you want to allow applicants to edit their applications before they've been reviewed, or to allow reviewers to edit applications. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a list of users that have access to manage applications. To review submitted applications, head to Program Delivery, then to Applications. If you don't see the Applications tab, it may be possible that you don't have access to applications. This is managed in the user profile. We can see here that we've got one application for the Marketing Analytics program. Click on View to open the application. This program has 20 seats available and we've currently got 9 participants enrolled. Over on the right-hand side, you can select notifications related to this application in case you want to receive a daily summary or you'd like to receive a notification each time a new application is submitted. To review an application, click Open Application. From here, we can see the learner's profile, the completed application form, and then we can take action. The available actions are to enroll the applicant in the course, to enroll the applicant in a different program, to withdraw the application on the applicant's behalf, to refer them to another program, or to mark them as unsuccessful. Depending on which option you select, you'll be able to review and edit the email that they'll receive. You can also turn on notes to create any internal notes about the application. As an example, if we were going to enrol the applicant, we've got our enrolment email here. They will have already submitted payment details, but if you need to edit those, you can do so here. And then click Submit to enrol the learner and send the email. As you can see here, the learner status has been changed from pending to enrolled. You can refer back to your notes at any time, and there's also a log of who reviewed the application. And that's how you manage applications in Guroo Academy.